You are watching Don Performance Engineering YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about Yamaha MT15 version 2 lowering kit installation. Today we are going to installation of lowering kit on Yamaha MT15 version 2. Okay, this is stock height of the bike. It comes around with 815 mm. The same version 2 and version 1 also same height. You are a short person, uncomfortable to ride your dream bikes. No worry. Don Performance Engineering helps you. The lowering kit. It will reduce the bike height to 10 mm, 20 mm. It's a custom made lowering kit available in 304 stainless steel and 316 stainless steel. 10 mm to 40 mm available. Actually his height was 5.3 and weight is 73 kg. Okay, we need to change this stock lowering kit and install it. Okay. This is nice bike version 2 is same as an MT115 version 1, but little difference is USD4. Height also same. Okay, now I installed the TMM lowering kit on this bike. When comparing to stock, let's we check this height with this version. The TMM height is 5.3 and weight is 73 kg. He feel very comfortable with this 30 mm when comparing to stock, but there's a drawback is pillion seat person weight. Okay, if the 30 mm with overall load of 140 kg above, the main drawback is pillion seat person when load is too much. The gap between tires and this chassis of the bike is reduced. In normal road it will be okay. In speed breaker it will cause some problems maybe. Let's check it out. Tired of using old disc brakes? Faded disc plate, rusty and noisy? Here's the solution. Custom made rear rotor disc plates. Custom made for high performance, latest technologies. Actually 30 mm was very uncomfortable with pillion seat rider in speed brake, so let's we try on 20 mm. Okay, actually 20 mm is when comparing to 30 mm it's better with pillion seat rider because the height is only too much will reduce when comparing to stock. The difference between 20 mm and 30 mm is very bit little difference, but the pillion seat weight is too much when the 20 mm is better in speed brake condition and off-road condition. Okay, let's check it out with the 20 mm on this bike. Okay, when comparing to 30 mm it's little bit okay, but pillion seat also having too much of weight like 68 kg above. Okay, it's think there's too much of gap when comparing to 30 mm, the wheel and the chassis. Okay, let's check it out. The difference between stock 20 mm and 30 mm. This is the difference between the checks. Okay, let's check it out on speed brake. I think no problems came. I think when 20 mm, the person also feel very safe. Okay, thank you friends. If you have any doubts about the lowering kit, comment on YouTube channel. This is our official WhatsApp group. You can chat anytime. Thank you friends.